guys, good morning. How you guys doing this beautiful morning? Hope you guys are fine and keep it safe as well. If you're coming across this space for the very first time, my name is Ace. I'm a mommy vlogger. I base in Enza, Italy. So in today's video, I will be taking you through what I'll be doing. But first and foremost, this morning I want to clean my fridge, and also I want to clean the fan. All my fans are dirty, and the fan in my daughter's room is not good. It's not moving the way I want it to move. So I really want to get a new fan. So I want to clean the old one. So maybe I will throw the one in their rooms away. So when I'm through with all this cleaning, I'll be going out to get the fan later in the day. Okay, so let me bring you guys along this morning to all my activities. All right, let's go, guys.
Opanoza we memawu Uyogo we Benidori Momenwe Opanoza we memye Romero we Benidori Momenwe Etanini we mosa Warulega deo Nado pomosa Etanini we mosa Fiemi nuela diao Naya pomosa Rudo samba ogeno Ayame wamo Ayeme sena Uyo wo Oh sagirinya Wime wo sagirinya Oh sagirie wo Iwo sama miemigo yese Iwo sagirie we na gogo Epomo pare o sagio Wakimaya kupesi wale pome ya rosame
So guys, so this is the side I put my food, and this other side I put my juice. So there's nothing here today. I'm actually going out for space. And this is the fan that I want to clean and the one I want to change. Okay?
So never Aga wena geya Aga wena tano Osa senaro Kime kijo ware Mare ni mato kome Una mama hiyo Nena soda romeo Utunife sema tunaye seme Nipu wa ulo Esosa umeo I'm gbé ẹ̀yẹ́ tí wọ́n gbé ẹ̀yẹ́ tí wọ́n gbé tó sára mi.
So after all the cleaning, I clean all the fans, I change everything. So we are in the shop that we want to buy new fan. We are here and there are a lot of people there today. So we got there, we look around, and I finally find the one that I want us to buy, which is this very one. Yes, this big one. So this one is the one we are buying. Look at it. It's 129 euro. It was on Skonto sales. So we bought it. This is the store, and I decided to look around a little bit to see what is in the Skonto. So we look around and look at that small phone. I love that phone. I don't just know why. I also look at the phones, the ones in sales. But there was a lot of phones on sales that day. So they brought out my fan. This is the carton of the fan. They brought it out, so I have to leave it here. Come and pick it up later. Okay. Remember, say hi. My daughter, come and say hi. Okay, my mom down. Oh yeah, where they go? It's enough. See right there. And this is here. Going to my room. Guys, this is the new fan. So fine.
Several days later.
Hey guys, good afternoon. A bit good morning. It's past 12 already. So today is what is today's date? Today I don't remember, but today is 19th of July, and the weather today is just 46, maybe 36, 46 or 36, one of the two. And we are heading to the swimming pool. So we're supposed to go to the beach, but I can't. I don't really like beach, but I prefer swimming pool. We are heading to swimming pool this morning. I'm taking my kids and my friends. We all are heading to swimming pool for this summer. I'll be promising my daughter all this, but I will take you there. I'll take, she has to say, Mommy, take me. We are on holiday. Let's go to the pool. So today I'm taking her there. So I said, let me bring you guys along. So I will be showing you guys the food and the drinks we'll be eating there. Okay, let's go, guys. So I rushed to the supermarket to get one or two things that we'll be taking with us. I bought some lime because I want to make what is it called, cocktail. Yeah, I want to make cocktail, lime, cucumber, Fanta, Sprite, and some mixed berries drink. The way I was holding this cucumber, there is this Italian woman that was just looking at me because she was looking like, why is this girl holding this cucumber like this? Why is she holding it like I was like, why won't I hold it like this? It's just the normal way to hold it. My dear sister, your mind is playing trick on you, so go and get it done and leave me alone. So I eventually got some of the coconut, is it coconut yogurt and chocolate something, I don't know what it called. And this, I bought this juice. Okay guys, keep on watching. I'm still in the supermarket. So guys, this is the food we are taking to the pool. We prepare rice and stew, dodo and turkey. Yes, okay. This is what we are taking there to eat this afternoon. Okay, my boy, ready to go to piscina. Hey. Hey guys, so we are here already. Come your girl. I'm a hearing. Oh, one is falling out. So I'm taking my baby to the children one, and I'm definitely going to stay with him.
Wo sagirinya, we me wo sagirinya, wo sagirie wo. Iwo sama miego yese, iwo sagirie na gogo.